Did you give him the whole thing at once?
No, it's broken into two.
Oh, I just gave him the whole thing at once.
Did you put it all in there?
No, well, it's broken into two, but one's a really big piece. Yeah, he's got it all in there. Tell me about it, son. Was that a delicious peep?
Beep.
Swallow that one first. Swallow the other. Let me see that. You still got one in your mouth, crazy kid. What's Mama doing over there?
I'll be getting my butt cracked.
I haven't even named it that way. Now that you said it on video, though. All right.